We are entering the most transformative period for passive income in history. AI has lowered the barrier to entry across every area, from content creation to software development to e-commerce and automation. In the past, creating products required advanced design skills, writing talent, or technical expertise. Today, AI tools can generate ebooks, videos, templates, apps, and marketing materials in minutes. And because AI operates at expert-level quality, beginners can now compete with seasoned professionals. Automation platforms make scaling effortless, eliminating the need for large teams or complex operations. In 2025 and beyond, passive income is no longer reserved for people with capital or specialized knowledge. It is available to anyone willing to learn and apply AI effectively. This is the new frontier of digital entrepreneurship. The biggest transformation is happening in content creation. AI can produce high-quality content at scale. Articles, ebooks, blog posts, video scripts, newsletters, landing pages, and even full courses. Visual tools generate thumbnails, brand kits, illustrations, and marketing graphics instantly. Video tools create entire videos with AI voiceovers, animations, captions, and editing. This means one person can produce what once required a full team. For passive income, content is the lifeblood. More content, more traffic, more monetization opportunities. With AI, you can build a content ecosystem around digital products, affiliate offers, courses, or SAS tools. The speed of production gives you an unmatched competitive edge. Instead of creating one video a week, you can create 10. Instead of writing one blog per month, you can publish 20. Scale becomes effortless. AI is not just a creation tool, it's an operations engine. Modern AI agents can handle customer messages, support requests, refunds, FAQ responses, and personalized conversations. Email workflows can be fully automated, onboarding, nurturing, upselling, cross-selling, and retention sequences. AI tools can manage your social media posting schedule, analyze performance, and recommend improvements. For e-commerce and digital product businesses, AI can track orders, send notifications, manage inventory, and respond to buyers automatically. This means your income stream keeps running even when you're asleep or offline. You no longer need to check emails every day or manually manage repetitive tasks. AI becomes your silent team working behind the scenes 24/7, allowing your business to scale without burnout or excessive involvement. One of the most exciting effects of AI in 2025 plus is the democratization of creation. Tasks that once required years of training, design, copywriting, coding, marketing, animation, editing, can now be performed through simple prompts. You can build SaaS tools using no-code platforms, write books without being a writer, and design merchandise without being an artist. AI gives you superpowers across multiple creative and technical fields. This dramatically lowers the learning curve for passive income streams, allowing more people than ever to succeed. Instead of needing 10 different skills, you can rely on AI to fill the gaps while you focus on strategy, direction, and execution. This shift opens the door for anyone to become a digital entrepreneur, even if they're starting from scratch. The future of passive income is autonomous. AI agents are evolving from simple chat tools into intelligent systems that can manage entire income streams. Imagine an AI agent that researches topics, creates content, edits videos, posts them, replies to comments, updates your blog, maintains your SEO, analyzes your traffic, and improves your funnels, all on its own. We are moving rapidly toward AI-driven businesses that self-maintain, self-optimize, and self-scale. In the coming years, your digital assets will not just generate income, they will improve themselves to generate more. This is why learning AI now gives you an early advantage. You're not just building a passive income stream. You're building a digital asset that will continue to evolve with minimal intervention. The systems you create today will become the autonomous income engines of tomorrow.